How to reset your Instagram password on PC. This tutorial shows you how to recover and reset your Instagram password using your Windows 11 browser. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. From there, go to Instagram.com by typing it into the address bar and pressing Enter. At this point, click on Forgot Password below the login fields. From there, enter your username, email address, or phone number linked to your Instagram account. After that, click on Send Login Link or Send Security Code, depending on the option that appears. In the next step, check your email or phone for the message from Instagram containing the reset link or code. From there, click on the link in the email or enter the code on the Instagram page to proceed. Once done, you will be taken to a screen where you can create a new password. Following this, type in your new password in the first field and re-enter it in the confirmation field to make sure they match. From here, click on Reset Password or Change Password to save your new credentials. At this stage, once confirmed, you will be redirected to the login page where you can sign in using your new password. Keep in mind, if you do not receive the reset email or code, check your spam folder or make sure the email and phone number on file are still accurate and accessible to you. Finally, log into your Instagram account using your new password and confirm everything is working correctly. And that's it. If this guide helped you reset your Instagram password on PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.